Today we will learn about animals and very special animals. Monkey. Monkey is living in jungle and he is very intelligent animal. He is very good in problem solving. And when groups of monkeys, it's called troops. Groups of monkeys are called troops. When a lot of monkeys living together, is known as their troops. Group troops. Lion. Lion is called king of the jungle. Lion roar is the loudest of any big cat and can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Oh my god, we can listen lion roar 8 kilometers away. Lion have terrific night vision and groups of lion called pride, Pride, pride. Groups of lions called prides. Lions are in group, it's called pride. Baby zebra is called a foal. At birth, foals are typically able to stand and walk within hour. Within an hour of the birth, they cannot stand and they cannot walk. Their stripes are usually brown and white, but as they are growing, their stripes are becoming black and white. And the groups of zebras are called zeal. Zeal, zeal.